Hello, so today we're going to do a test and see if fruit shoots, we're using the apple and blackcurrant, there's a little bit in the bottom there. We're going to see if that creates a positive COVID test like it's saying all over the internet and in the press and wherever else. Little disclaimer here, please don't fake your, I'm going to get the swab out now, please don't fake your COVID test. I'm actually doing this just out of curiosity. So what we're going to do, let's get the swab, get that over there. So let's get the swab and let's see, hold on, let's get this away from the little test thing. See if we can get a few blobs of that. Hold on, it's not even open. Try opening the bottle, Tony. That does help a little bit better. Oh, that's probably a bit too much, that, isn't it? Can you see that? Okay, let's put it in here, like you would do after sticking it on your tonsils and up your nose. Gross. I've got to say, I'm glad the scientists decided to stick it on your tonsils first before putting it up your nose. If it was me creating this test, I probably would have got you to stick it up your nose first and then down your throat, just because that's me. So, here we go. We've got the sample, so 2 little drops on there. Drop, as the Beastie Boys said. And let's leave it. Let's see what happens. I'm interested to see. Science. Let's leave that there. Let's see what happens now. Should we leave it? No, leave it. Look at that. Lovely. Right, let's fast forward. Okay, so 30 minutes later, and as you can see, we are negative. Did not work. It's a bit of a shame, isn't it? But there we go. So actually adding Robinson's fruit shoot to the swab, to the liquid, doesn't work. What a load of rubbish.